Welcome to my channel, How to Knot, and in this video I'll be showing you how to tie an Alpine butterfly knot. This knot's intended use is for climbing. First, start by creating a loop. Feed the working end through that loop. Feed the large loop between the intersection of the two small loops. Twist, and finally tighten and dress. This is all around a great knot as it's able to hold a load equally regardless of which end is held. The loop does not expand while under a load and can be easily untied after a load. However, while it's quick to tie, it can be more difficult to tie than compared to some other knots. This concludes the rest of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to hit that thumbs up button, and if you'd like to see more knot tying videos, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.